So we've got a couple places to hunt, me and Mike. It's an evening hunt, just got off work. We are covered in bug spray because the mosquitoes are horrible. You can see the car, there's an empty lot on the next side of it. We don't know nothing about these lights. This house here is probably late 40s, not too old. And a couple pieces of clad. Mike just got a wheat right here in this hole and he scanned back over it. Mike, he's got 2728. I think he's got a silver diamond there or something.
Something I missed, wasn't it?
Well, at least you double checked your holes, man, which is what matters. A little bit deeper. I see the edge right there. That's silver.
Yeah, right there.
Yep. Get it out of there, Mike. Showing out already, man.
Good God, it's a murk.
That is so freaking cool, dude. Go ahead and pinpoint, probe around in the hole some more. See if there's any more.
Hit it with the tape right there. Nope, that's
It's
it.
probably gonna be iron. Wheat and a murk. What yours the wheat?
The wheat was 44.
44? And the murk is a 35.
Deal.
Dude, that is awesome. I knew when you scanned back over it and you said you're getting a 2728.
I was beginning to wonder if I was going to get a silver again. It's been so long.
No doubt in my mind what that was, man. Great job, Mike.
Thank you.
All right, back with Mike. I just got a wheat. Let me see. Oh yeah, that's neat, dude. There you go. U.S. I can barely see it. It's not. There you go. Marine Corps. That's a nice little pin, Mike.
Yeah. Different.
What'd it hit?
Like zinc penny.
Zinc penny?
Deeper, yeah.
Deeper?
Pretty deep, yep.
Good job, Mike.
All right, man. Boom.
Got Mike here working in a hole. I think he's got it all now. I've already got 4 wheats, and he just got another spill here with 3 wheats. So the yard's really starting to produce. We're just on the first lot too.
Yep.
Mike,
Still got a good bit to go.
you're doing good today, man.
Thank you, man.
Getting the hang of that Knox, aren't you?
That's right. Love it.
All right, stay tuned. Welcome back over to Mike. He just got that 3 wheat spill right next to this other tone he's about to dig. It's also a deep, high, scratchy tone. So maybe another wheat could have been silver. You get those deep targets, and they're not always really clear on the sound and VDI. So you hear it squeaking in there, just up and down numbers. It's definitely another deep high tone.
Real high, dude.
Probably gonna be right beside those wheats. Maybe another old coin. Maybe silver this time. He's to it. You got my little hand digger? You got it?
I got it. I'll dig beside it.
There it is. Oh, dude, what is that?
Check it out. See what it is. Look like clad.
A deep clad quarter right beside it, man.
Crazy. Ooh, ants.
Yep. That's crazy, dude.
Couldn't be silver, could it?
Looks like it's a 74. Right beside those wheats. I thought that was gonna be good, man. All right, Mike. You'll get it next
Ants are
time.
killing me. Hold on. Appreciate it.
Good job.
Yep.
I think Mike's got something else cool.
Little Tootsie Jeep.
Tootsie Jeep, man. That is awesome, dude.
Little tiny one.
Oh yeah, that's so cool. Still got the roots all grew through it.
To wash it off when I get home, pull on them tires and they're breaking my axles, you know.
Oh yeah. Very fragile.
Boom.
Great job, Mike.
Thank you.
Mike is walking back up to me, and he has got his second Tootsie toy in a row.
Yep. Cool little things. I like finding them.
That's awesome, man.
Probably my second favorite thing to find other than coins.
Yeah, those are always fun, dude. Good job, Mike.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, Saturday evening. we're on the edge of Hurricane Florence coming through right now. It's headed this way. We're in the tip of South Carolina, so it's not going to be that bad. It's already been downgraded to, a tropical storm. We're just going to get a lot of wind. Some good wind gusts, probably up to 50, 60 miles per hour, and a lot of rain. The rain is actually starting right now. You can see the wind starting to pick up with the trees. Probably hear it through the phone as well. Mike's little girl Skyly's with us today, and she just jumped that ditch right there from one side to the other, which is kind of cool. But you can see Mike up there working. We don't have long, but Mike's had a good luck at this church in the past with his AT Pro, so we're going back through it now with the Equinox. But yeah, you can hear those gusts starting. So we're going to hang out as long as we can before the wind blows us away or we get rained out. So just stay tuned, and maybe we can get on a good target here in a minute. Walking down to Mike. He's got something cooler than trash.
43 copper wheat.
43 copper wheat. That'd be nice, Mike.
Plus one.
Plus one. Oh,
Plus one.
almost. When you say almost.
How is my hand green?
You see what your dad just found?
My hand's green.
Cool.
Good job, Mike.
Thank you, man.
You're welcome. All right, I'm walking over to Mike. We left the church. He done a good job cleaning that church out. We got some clad. He got a wheat, but he got a little yard permission here on the way back, and we're going through here. I got one wheat over there. Mike in the past done this yard next to him, said he got 4 silvers, and then he got a good signal. And check this out. Mike, go ahead and get it out, man. And it is dry right now. Look at there.
The ground is hard as a rock.
We got no moisture in the ground, but we're about to have some of this hurricane coming through.
41.
41. Mike, man, that thing's beautiful.
Thank you, man.
Good job. No problem. You're looking at Mike with another tone just like that last one. It's spiking up right in that silver range. Got a little bit of depth to it. We're gonna see if he's got another one. It's just a few feet from the other one. The other one's right over there. Again, our ground is so dry right now. Let's get down here close. Still in the hole.
Better job.
Are you good? Come on, Mike.
There it is, penny.
Penny. Probably gonna be a wheat at least.
No, that's Aaron, it's just
Clad
a
down?
clad down.
That sounded good, man. Good job, man. Mike said he's got a relic. Oh yeah, I already see the shape of it.
It's a horseshoe and a horse.
That's cool, man. That's really cool.
Something different.
Definitely different.
Mike Noble would be proud.
He would. Good job, Mike. Welcome. We're going to stay at it.
Find it.
You
Put
go-
it in that far.
All right.
We're gonna sew us in the backyard now.
Go ahead.
So I just dug this down here with Mike.
Big old snake back there.
Got a big old snake in the backyard.
Just throw a rock there, it'll go away.
It'll go away. All right.
If they hit one back there, you can kill that rock.
So I'm not sure what this is. It looks like the girl is, probably in the 50s or 60s. It says reading girl. It's real heavy, like it's lead or something. So, well, clean it up, put a picture in the video.